reset this like oil maintenance light require right here. See this? See this flashing the light right there? So you have to reset that. To reset, just go to the, you see the trip A. When you push this, it will change the trip A to trip B. See this? Trip B. Now leave it like this, trip A. Then we turn off the switch. Then hold this. At the same time, turn on the ignition switch. I mean the key. Turn on the key. If you have push button, just push it 2 times. Or otherwise just turn on. Don't start it up. And turn on the ignition same time. After that, you'll see no more maintenance required light is on. So it's reset already. When you start it, you're not gonna see that anymore. See, before the maintenance light was flashing. Started, you see, it's gone. No more maintenance light flashing. So thank you for watching, guys.